Let's now look at how we can calculate the values for L beta. And this is the logarithmic of the beta function. For this, we'll create a tensor x that is equal to tf dot constant, and this has the values 1, 2, and 3. And then we can calculate the L beta values as follows: tf.math.lbeta x, and we can print the values c.numpy, and in the output this is the value we get for the logarithm of the beta function using the values in the tensor x. Similar to this, we have another functionality L gamma, and in this we are trying to find the log of absolute value of gamma of x. And again, for this we can use the same set of code and the same tensor. So let's copy paste that here. All we need to do is change the L beta to L gamma. So L gamma, and now when we run this, we get the element wise values for the values in tensor x that are now shown here as output of z. That was it for this video. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.